Right, guys, can you hear me, all of you? Right. So, fine, guys. Now, for today, let's talk about. So, in the previous video, we discussed about how to make comprehensions, right? And also how to write a functions, guys, right? How to make def functions or functions. That's what we have done in the previous session, okay? Previous video. Now, let's go with the lambda expressions, guys. Let's go with lambda expressions, guys. Okay, right. So what is lambda expression? What is a lambda expression? Right. See, this lambda expression is also called nameless functions, guys. Nameless functions means a function without a name. Previously, the functions are having the names, right? Def, get, even, numbers, like that. Some names are given. But here, these expressions are not having the name. That means just write one time and leave it. We don't reuse, guys. We cannot reuse this lambda. Just write one time and leave it. That's why they're called what? Nameless. So also called use and throw functions, guys. Use and throw functions means write it, use it, and leave it. That's all. But functions means for a body or name is given, that name can call multiple times. We can use multiple times, guys, right? All of you. So lambda expressions also called out here nameless functions are use and throw, right? Or throw away. Different names are there, guys. Okay, right. So for this lambda, what is the syntax first of all? So lambda keyword we use space, then we give this arguments, and then we write the expressions, guys, or expression. We write the expression. That's all. Lambda space argument or arguments colon expression. This is the lambda syntax. This is what lambda syntax, guys, all of you. Okay, right. Now see, I'll make just one or two base examples, guys, by using this syntax. Just observe here. I'll take ideally. I'm taking ideally. Okay, ideally, guys. Right. I'll open our file. Our file name is this one. Right. Let's observe, guys, here. I write a program just to add two numbers, guys. How to add two numbers? By using this lambda expression. So what's keyword lambda? Right. What is keyword here? Lambda. All of you. Lambda. So a comma b colon. What is the expression here? Logic a plus b. That's all, right. What is syntax? Observe here. The syntax is what is given here. Observe now. So first lambda. First you can observe here lambda first. That is lambda. Next one arguments. Yes, we have taken two arguments because I want two numbers here, and colon and then expression. That's all, guys. Enough. Now this is all assigned to one variable called x variable, guys. Now to the x variable I am going to pass the input. Right, x of 10 comma 20, that means that 10 assigned to a, 20 assigned to b, right? So a will how much now? 10. B how much here? 20. Then 10 plus 20, 30. Again I am going to print this x only. Now, guys, observe here. Just very simple, right? What is the answer here? 30 is the answer, guys. What is the answer? 30. 30 is the answer here. All of you guys. Okay. Now, see, let us try to make one more program, guys. Like some base programs to understand the syntax. Other program is, suppose guys we have two numbers. Suppose 5 and b value some 10. I want to display the highest number, the big number. Right? Okay. Then what's condition? If a greater than b, that means what? A is the bigger number, right? Else, which one? B. Okay, print B, guys. Print B. Or the highest number, right? Now observe here. What's condition? If A greater than B, A means what? 5. B means what? 10. So 5 greater than 10. True or false? False. That means what? Go to else block and display what here? Display B value. What is B value? 10. Right? So here this logic is in 4 lines, guys. It is in 4 lines, right? Now what do we do? The same thing I can make it in single line. How? Observe here. See here print A is executing when if condition is true only. Alright? This print A is executing when if condition is true only. Otherwise printing what? Printing B. All of you, am I clear now? Right? We are printing A in case of A greater than B. Otherwise, the printing what? B, right? Printing B. Now observe here, I am doing same thing now. Which one here? Print A when if A greater than B. Else what here? Print B. Now observe, guys, right? So I take the first one. Which one? I am printing A when in case of A greater than B. Otherwise print what? Otherwise means 3. Print what here? B. Print B. All of right. But here prints also not required. Simply we can take without print also, guys. What do I take here? Simply A. If A greater than B, else what? B. That's all. All of right. See here print A in just taking the only A. Here also print B taking the only B. Right. So how it executes now? First check the condition. If condition is true, then execute what? Display what? A value. Otherwise B value. That's all. Right? So this one I will take as a which one? As a expression, guys. Expression. And A comma B are commonly arguments. All of right. So this is the expression for which one? Adding two numbers. Now to find the highest number of two numbers, this is the expression, guys. A if A greater than B, else B, right? Now observe here lambda A comma B colon print A if A greater than B, right? Else print what? B. Again same, these are assigned to what? Some x. Again through x pass the values and then that x I am going to print finally. Now I am going to remove this one and observe here. What is the highest value? 6 is the highest value. Okay. I change the value, so I take the 15 comma 6. What is the highest value? 15 is the highest value, guys. That's all. All of you are clear now. So this is how we use syntax of lambda, guys, right? Syntax of lambda. Okay. This is the lambda and arguments and then what here? Expression. Right? Now in the lambda there are some special functions, guys. Those are called lambda functions. What you call here? Lambda functions are there. What are the lambda functions? Lambda functions, right? What are the lambda special functions, guys? Not lambda special functions. In the lambda some functions are there. What are those? Like filter function, then map function, and then reduce function, guys. Filter, map, reducer. So 3 types of functions are there. Filter function, map function, and then which one? Reduce function, guys. Okay, reduce function. All of you. Right? Now, when do we use a filter function? When do we use a map? And when do we use a reduce function? I'm going to explain 1 or 2 examples on each one, guys. Observe now. I'm going to explain 1 or 2 examples on each one. First, let's talk about the filter function, guys. Here, so filter means what? Like keeping some condition, guys, right? Filter means what? Applying some condition. Means a program which requires condition. A program which requires condition on those programs we can do by using filter function, guys, right? See, this is what lambda syntax, right? Lambda syntax, guys. For the syntax, temporarily I give the one name. What I am giving here, lambda syntax I am giving. What name I am giving? Lambda syntax means what? This all, okay. Now for filter, the syntax is what? First, lambda syntax, write all as it is, and then write the object name. All of you. So filter means what? Inside the filter, first which one write here? Lambda syntax. Lambda syntax means what? This all, guys. Okay, this all we have to write here. That all as it is. Lambda space arguments colon expression we should write here, and then object name. Object name means our input data object name, guys. Like if you observe in previous examples we have done by taking one string, by taking one list, by taking one dictionary, some object name we should give. On which one we are going to apply the logic. Okay, right. So now this is the syntax, guys. This is syntax now. Now I show you some examples on this filter. Right. Same. Previously already I have done the programs like fetching the even numbers, guys. Observe now. Let's take here fetching even numbers. See, in this requirement compulsorily some condition required, guys, right? Why? Because observe now, observe here, this is the list, it is the list, guys. Some numbers are there like this, right? Some numbers are there. So in this list there are some even numbers, there are some odd numbers, guys, right? Both numbers are there, okay. But what I want now, by using condition, I want to fetch only even numbers only, 2, 6, 8, like this. I want to fetch only even numbers only. So here what if compulsorily on condition required, guys, right? There that program you can do by using which one? Filter. First I am going to write the lambda function, guys, okay, lambda syntax. Before that one, the same program I am going to show you by using for loop, guys, a normal program, okay. Like how for I in what list, if that I modulus 2 equal to 0, then what I want to do now, that I value up into some list, guys, right? I take the some output list here. Whenever condition is true, then that I value up into what new list, guys, and finally print what new list, guys, right? This is what we know already. This one we know already, all of you. This one we know already. But now what I want to do now, I want to apply which one? Lambda, right? Lambda. Observe now. First what we take here? Lambda syntax, guys, right? First write the lambda syntax. That means what? Here, this one, right? How to take that one? Observe now. So lambda space. What is the argument here? So here argument is what, guys? Now I is the argument, okay. So write the I value here, I value like this, right? And colon. Then what is the expression here? See, in case of filter function, expression means what? This condition, guys. This condition. In case of filter function, expression means what? Condition. Okay, what is condition here? Just I modulus 2 equal to 0. If false not required here, just I modulus 2 equal to 0. Then comma. What's the object name above? List, guys. List is the object name. Okay, so observe here. So lambda, right? Lambda is written. Argument means I, and then expression. That means what? That lambda syntax over, guys, right? Lambda syntax over. Comma, right? Comma. What is there here? Object name. Object name is what in our case? LS is the object name. Now these two we take inside what now? Inside the filter function, guys. Inside what? Filter function. So those two will take what here inside the all of you. We take what where inside the filter function, right? Filter function, and then end here filter function. Okay. Now see finally what is happening here? That I value I value every time append to what now? Append to list, guys, right? Means the result is going to save in the list format. That's why we take what here? We take a list of sorry. We take list, guys. So there's spelling wrong, guys. Okay. I take the which one? List function. This is the list, guys. Okay. It is the list. It's list, guys, right? That list I want to print it. Then we take what now? Print off like this. That's all, guys. Enough. Print off. Right. Okay. Now, guys, observe here. What happened now? So first lambda syntax is taken. All of you. First what taken here? Lambda syntax is taken, comma object name is taken. Why? In this object, right? Means what? In this data we are going to apply this all, right? That's why both are taken, and both are taken inside what now? Inside the filter function, guys. Filter off, then bracket open and bracket close. Now see, filter off, lambda syntax, and then object name. So outside the filter, we should take the either list or tuple or set like this. Why? Because we need to store the result into some object again, right? List format like that. That's why what is taken here? List is taken. What is taken here? List is taken. Okay, list of, again open the bracket and then close the bracket, list. And finally, that list I want to display in the output, right? So what I'm using here? Print off that all list, guys. Print off that all list. That's all. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Right. Now observe here. I take the same one. Lambda I colon I modulus 2 equal to what? 0. This is what now? Lambda syntax, comma object name is what? List, guys. These two keep in what now? Keep in the filter function. And if you do filtering, this output will come 2, 6, 8 will come. That output save in the one object, right? Which object I am using here? List object. So we take the list function, guys. And then that list I want to display the result. So take the print of list. Right. Observe now. Same output, guys. Right? You got it. Same output here. See, previously in case of normal program or comprehensions or def functions, we used for loop, right? Manually. For loop we used, but remember here there is no for loop, guys. Here there is no for loop. Without for loop, we are fetching the all even numbers. See, if you see this normal program, what is there? For loop is there. Take the comprehension also, for loop is there, right? For loop is common. But here in case of lambda, without for loop, manually taking without for loop, we are writing the which one? This program, guys. Means internally for loop executing, guys. Internally for loop iterating. How? See, first observe here. Observe now. What happens internally? I explain here. Object, right? One list. So first value tell me now. First value how much here? The list 2. That 2 assigned to I. What's first time my value? 2. Then go to condition. Condition true or false? Condition true or false? Condition is true. Then that 2 come outside, guys, here. How much now? This is the 2. That's all. Now first iteration over. Even though for loop is not there, but it is iterating, guys. It is iterating internally. Okay. All of you. Next one, observe here. Second iteration. Next one, second iteration, guys. Second time I value what here? Second time I value 5, right? 5 is coming here. That 5 going to assign to I, then what going to condition. Now observe here. 5 modulus 2, how much now? 1, right? 1 equal to 0 na? No. That means 5 is not even number. That 5 will skip, guys. That 5 will skip here. That 5 skipping here. Okay, all of you. Right. And next one. What next one? 3, right? Next one 3 is coming here. Now 3 assigned to I and 3 going to where now? Condition. 3 modulus 2. How much actually? 1. 1 equal to 0 na? No. False. That means what? That 3 also will skip here. That 3 also skipping here, right? All of you. Next one, what next value? 6. Okay, 6 is coming here. The 6 assigned to I value now. I is going to if condition now. Condition true or false now? Condition is true. Why? 6 modulus 2, how much now? 0. 0 equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. Then that 6 will come output here. How much here? This is the 6 guys, okay, like this. Next time again, next time I value here 8 assigned to again I and go to condition now. 8 modulus 2, 0 equal to 0, yes it is true. Then again that 8 also will come to the outside guys result. This is what now, it is the 8 alafu. Okay, and then what next value now? Next value 7, and next 7 go to I go to conditional. True or false? False, right? False guys, okay. It is the false, skipping. Next time my value what here? 9. Next time my value 9 here. 9 is going to assign here. I'm going to the condition. 9 modulus 2. True or false? 9 modulus 2, how much now? 1. 1 equal to 0? False, right? That 9 also will skip guys. That 9 also will skip. That's all of you, right? Now any other value is there? No. All values over. Means this is filtering over guys now. This filtering over now. Now because I filter, this output came guys, right? This output came. Outside filter, what is there now? List is there. That means these all output taken to the list format guys. List format. If you take the tuple function here, if you take the tuple function, then output to save in the tuple. Output save in the tuple guys. If you take set function, output will be set format. Now list is created. That list we are printing. That's why, because of the printer that is displaying guys here. That is a display. That's all. This is how this program is executing guys. All of you guys, let me know. Everybody let me know guys. It is clear now? All of you? Guys, please let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? Guys, you can reply in the chat box, reply in the comment box. So guys, let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? The execution process of this filter function. All of you. Okay. Right. This is how filter function works, guys. Right. Next one. See, we can take a number of programs, guys. Same process. All of you. Okay. Next one. Let us try with the map function, guys. Map function. See, filter function means what? If you want to use any condition, then we go for the filter function. Next, map means I don't want any condition. Simply, I want to apply logic for all values. I want to apply the logic. I want to map the logic for all the elements. There you go for what here? Map function. The best example, guys. If you see previously, yes, this is the best example, guys. Here, what I have done now? Tell me now. What I have done here? Okay, the name is there in the string. Some words are there. Now, what I want now? I want to find the length of each name, length of each word, guys. See, I am saying each word, length of each word. That means what? This logic applied for every value, for every I. It is applied without any filtering, without any condition. What happened here? This logic is mapped for every I value. So this is what we do by using map function, guys. All of you. Which function? Map function. This is what we do by using map function. Because if you want to apply the logic for every element, then we go for what here? Map function, right? Map function, guys. Now see, what do I do here? I'll observe now. Simply I'll do one program by using map. Observe, guys, here. Very simple one. Apply or find the square. Find the square, right? Square of each number. Square of each number from list, guys. That means what? In the list, I am using the same list, guys. In the list, whatever number is there, it can be even number or odd number. For every number, I want to find the square. I want to find the square. 2 square, 5 square, 3 square, 6 square, 8 square, 7 square, 9 square. I want for every number, right? There, we don't need any condition. We don't want to filter any data. We don't need to filter any data. So, there what we do, we use the map function, guys. What we use the map function. For map function also, same syntax, guys. Just same syntax only. Just only that name will change, that's all. Same map of lambda syntax, comma, object name, comma, object, okay? Object name. Object name. Right, observe now. Say first lambda syntax, guys. Lambda space or else I'll do first normal program, guys, for easy understanding. For in what list if it's not required, simply I take what now first some I take some new list, guys, here. New list I take here, okay. Now directly I'm using what now? I into I or I exponent 2, guys. I power 2. This append to what now? Append to for every, right? This applying for every value, right? Okay. Then the result I am going to append to what here? Append to the list, and finally we are printing the list, guys. Printing what? List. That's all. Right? Now observe here. I do same thing now. Lambda. What is the argument? I. What is the expression here? I exponent 2. That's all. All of them. In the previous case, the expression means what? Condition. But here which one? Logic. Logic, guys. Okay. LST. This is what map function. Output I want to save in the list format. List function. That output I want to display in the output. That's why I can see now. Yes, very simple, guys. All of you can observe now. Very simple. Yes, I can do again explanation. Observe, guys, here. First time, what is the value? 2, right? So what is the value? 2. And 2 power 2. How much now? 4, right? 4, guys, here. And directly how much now? Answer is the 4, comma. All of you. Next, that what's coming here? 5, right? 5. I value 5. 5 power 2 means 5 into 5. How much here? 25, guys. Okay, 25. So I am taking here 25. 25 like this. All of you. Comma. Next what here? 3. For 3 also apply the same. 3 power 2 means how much now? 9, guys, right? 9. 9 like this. Next 6. Okay. 6, guys, here. All of you. Right. Now 6 power 2. How much now? 6 into 6. How much here? 36, guys, right? 36. This is how much here? 36. Okay. 36, guys, here, right? Next one now. Next one here? 8. 8. Okay. 8 power 2. 8 power 2. How much here? 8 into 8. 64, guys, all of you. 64. Okay. 64. Next 64 like this. Next one 7, right? I value 7. 7 power 2. 7 into 7, how much here? 49. How much here? 49. Okay, 49. And 9, right? 9. Okay. 9 power 2, guys, right? Means what here? 81. Okay. 81, guys, all of you. This is what here? 81. 81. That's all. Right? Now, what is over here? What is over now? this map is over, guys. What is over? Map. Map is over. All of you. Map is over. Means this is all mapping over. Next one, what is outside here? List, right? List is the, guys. All of you. Also, what is there? List is there. Now, means what here? The output will take in the list format. Output will be list format, and then the output is going to display. Then what we use? Printer. That's why the output is displaying, guys, here. That's all. All of you, right? So this is the execution flow of map function, guys. Execution flow of map function. That's all. All of you. All of you, guys. Guys, let me know, everybody. Is this clear now? Then next one, guys. Next one, reduce function, guys. What is this? See, I am giving one example, just guys. Just you can try the remaining all same model, guys. Okay, just you can try it. Right now, let's go with the reduce function, guys. Reduce, right? Reduce function, right? Okay. For reduce also same syntax, guys. All of you. Reduce also same syntax. Just what we change here, that name will change. That's all. Reduce like this. Reduce. All of you. Okay. Right. So reduce means, see, previously when we discussed this function, you must get a doubt. What is the doubt means? Sir, we have two numbers, so giving a comma b. Suppose I want to find the highest number of 4 numbers, highest number of 4 numbers, highest number of 6 numbers, highest number of 10 numbers. Then how, sir? We have two numbers, so using a comma b only, that's okay. If I take 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 numbers are there, then I should take four variables, No, guys. Okay, that's what we do simply by reduce function, reducing all and displaying one max value or one mini value or one sum value. All of right. So reducing all the elements, they display one max or one min or one sum, guys. Okay, suppose let's take one list like this, guys. All of you. This is the one list now. Okay, it is the one list, right? Now, what is the max value? Tell me now. What is the max value, guys? Here, if you take observe, guys. Now, suppose I am taking the list equal to. Simply, if you take the max of list, some output will come, guys. Right? What's output here? Something 8 max value. If you take the min of list, what's output here? Output is 1. Then sum of list, guys. Okay, sum. What is the sum here? 12, 20, 24, something, guys. Okay, sum of list what here? 24. How much here? 24, guys. That's all, right? See, this is what by using this max min sum, guys. Now, alternative is what by reduce function also we can do. By reduce function also we can implement, guys, the execution process. Directly, I am using max of object name. Internally, what is the working flow? We don't know. Just giving the one max value, we know. Internally, how we to find the max value, how we to find the mini value, the execution flow, we don't know here, right? But that's what we do in the reduce function, guys, right? And observe here, reduce function is a part of a module that is called the functools module, guys. All of you. Reduce not a direct function in the Python. Reduce not a direct function. It is part of which one? Functools module. That's why when you want to use the reduce function, we should take the permission of from where? From the functools function module, guys. Means how to take the permission? Import the module name, use some alias name, it's optional. I am giving the f. Then we use what? F dot reduce, like this. See, previously for map and filter directly we used filter map directly we used without any importing all. Directly we used filter map, but reduce function is not direct function. It's a part of functools module. That's why if you want to use the reduce function, first import the functools module. For that, to give anyone alias name, you can take A, B, any name of choice, and then that name dot reduce function we should use in our programs, guys, compulsorily. Okay, right. Now let's see how to work on finding the max number. One list is there. In the list, I can take multiple numbers, guys, like this. Now I want to find out what is the max number. Okay, so our program is finding highest number from list, guys. Okay, right. Now as we know, first what we do, import functools as f, right? F, guys, I am using. Now I am going to use the same as it is, guys. Whatever I have given here, the same thing I am using now. I don't want to use 4 variables, 5. No, just 2 variables enough, guys. A comma B enough. Just A comma B enough, guys. Right? And from where? From the list. Right? From the list, guys. Okay, list. And let's take now. I take what? F dot reduce. F dot reduce. And guys, you observe previously, see, before, after filter, what is there? List is there. After filter, what is there? List is there. Why list is there in both cases? Because output will be 2 or more numbers, guys. The output, they have 2 or more numbers, the output. That's why we are taking the list to save the output. But here output only one value, right? Only one max value, only one min value, only one sum value, only one value always. That's why here not required any list or tuple, guys. Directly what I am doing now, print directly. Directly I am going to use a print function. See, what is the max value here? 8 is the max value, guys. 8 is the max value. If I use just less than, then what is the min value? 1. This is what min value, guys. If I use just plus, if I use just plus, that means what? Sum of all the numbers. Sum of all the numbers, right? But how it is working, I'll explain now. Right, this is the max number, guys. It use max number, right? How it executes, this execution flow is very important, guys. Just concentrate here. What is the list now? This is the list, guys. Okay, this is the list. I'm taking here. I'm taking here, guys, for easy understanding. To explain more, observe here. This is the list, right? Now all of you guys concentrate here. Everybody concentrate here. See, first from this list, guys. Okay, from this list, always first go A value and second value B value, guys. Okay, that means what? First time A value what? 4, B value what? 2. Now if A greater than B, A means what here? 4, B means what? 2. 4 greater than 2, true or false? It is true. If it is true, means what? Display A value, means A value is the highest number. In these two, A is the highest number, guys. In these two, A is the highest number. All of observe here. When you compare these two, what is the highest number? A means what? 4 is the highest number, guys. That's all. Now one loop over. Next, what happens here? All of concentrate here. Next, the result, guys. Result will be taking as a value. A value. And what next value? 6, right? Next value 6, guys. That 6 taking as a B value. That's all, guys. All of you. Result will be A value. The next value will be the B value, guys. Next is what? 6, okay? B value. What is A value now? In this case, A value same 4. A value 4 only. But what is the B value? B value 6, guys. Okay? B 6. What is the highest number now? A greater than B. 4 greater than 6. True or false? False. False means what? Else. Means what here? B. B is the result, guys. In this case, B means what? 6, right? In this case, okay, when the condition is false, what executes here? B. So when you compare these two, the answer is what? B. B means what here? 6. 6 is the answer, guys. 6 is the answer, okay? Next one. Next, what happens here? Observe now, all of you. Now, the result will be, which value now? A value. Result will be A value. And the next value, what next value? 8 is coming. Next value 8. Next value 8. This is what? B value, guys. That is the B value. Now tell me what is A value now? A value is 6. B value what here? What is the B value now? The B value is how much here? 8. Now 6 greater than 8. 6 greater than 8, true or false? It is false. If it's false means what? Else block. Else what is there? B. B means what? 8. So in these two, what's the answer now? The answer is 8, guys. In these two, the answer is 8. 8 like this. Now again iteration, the result will be what here? A value. And what next one? Next value what here? 1, right? Next is the 1, guys. Okay, 1. That 1 will be which value now? B value. All right. What is A value now? A value is the 8. A value is 8. And B value what now? B value is 1. 8, 1. Okay. Now 8 greater than 1, true or false? True. True means what? A. A means what? 8. 8 only, guys. Okay. What is A value? 8 only. Okay. 8 only. That's correct. Again, next iteration, guys. Next iteration. This 8 will be this 8. Okay. 8, guys. 8 assigned to what now? Assigned to A. And what next one here? 3 is right. Next to 3 is the, guys. Next 3. 3 will be which one? B value. That A assigned to A is what now? 8. 8. And B is what here? B is 3. B is 3. Right? B is 3, guys. Now. Now 8 greater than 3. True or false? True. True means what? A only. That means what is the answer here? A. A means what? 8, guys. A means what? A means 8. 8 is the answer. Any other values are there? No. List is over. List is over. That means finally that 8 is printing. That's all, guys. Now read is over. Once read is over, what next one? Print only. So 8 is printing, guys. 8 is printing. Always value only. Always output only one value. That's why we don't need to save in the list tuple, guys. Not required. That's why what is not taken here? List is not taken. Because we don't need to save in the list format. Because of only one value in the output, guys. That's all. Now all of you guys let me know. Everybody, is this clear now, guys? Next term, take the less than value, it gives minimum value. Take the plus, it gives sum of values, guys. That's all. All of you guys let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? I love you guys. Guys, please comment in the comment box. Is it clear now? Right. So one of our friend asking one doubt. What is the difference between map and filters are? Map and filter, right? That's one doubt. Another doubt is what is the imports are? What is this import? Actually, this is a modules topic, guys. Which topic? Modules topic. So here functools is a module, or else I'll explain one more way, guys. Simple way. Observe now. This is the one file. It is the one file. This file name is this file name is what? Module, guys. Okay. What's the name here? Simply functools is the name. that file name .py for example. Okay, right. So in this file, some functions are created, guys, right? Some functions defined here, one function defined here, one function defined here, one function defined here, like that. Multiple functions are there, right? Those functions created in this module, right? But now this function I want to use in another file. In another file, I want to use this function now. I want to call here. This function I want to call here. At that time, directly can't call. Suppose this function name. Let's take the function name, guys. Just observe, guys. Function name I am taking here. Hello. 1 second, guys. Okay. Here I am defining a hello function. I am defining a hello.py function, guys. Okay. What is the module name here? Or else I give the our main name only, guys. What is the name here? What is the name here? Reduce function is created. It is created where? It is created in the which one here? Func tools module, guys. Okay. So means in this file, this function is defined. Means this function is part of which one? This file, right? But now what I am doing here? This is my file. What is my file name, guys? Currently, my file name is what? Free Python, right? Here, observe here the file name, guys. What is my file name here? My file name is I am giving free Python batch.py, right? Now this function I want to use here. I want to call here. I want to call, guys. If you observe now, we're discussing the functions in the above functions topic. At the time, what happened? Observe there. So we have taken the one something def get some events of some list like this, and inside I wrote some logic. Okay, some if condition, all, guys, right? For loop if conditions like that I wrote already. Once at the end, what happened there? We are calling get events of some list one, something like that, right? All of you means what? This is what the function defining. This is what function calling. Both are done in the same file, guys. If you observe now, the same file only, this file only, the function creating is done, function calling also is done. Suppose the same function I want to call in another file, guys. This function I want to call here, I want to call in another file, right? All of you. This function I want to call. At that time, directly I cannot use get events. No, get events of lst1. No, we can't use here. All right. What is my file name? My file name is free batch or free some name I have given, right? Okay. Python batch.py, right? And this file name, let's take suppose new file.py, guys, some name, right? Now the function which is defined here, directly we can't call another file. We can't call directly. We can call here. We can call directly because the same file definition is there, so we can call here. But when you're working here, all of you, the definition is not there, right? Definition is not there. At that time, we cannot call directly. If you want to call it, first what we do, we have to import the file name. If you import the file name, in that file, whatever functions are there, those all will come here, guys. Okay, right? So what I do now, I can do import that free Python batch. So I'm using shortcut, guys. I am giving as something f I am giving. Then we use the f dot like this, like this, guys. All of you are clear now. Here also same. Here also I want to call the reduce function, but reduce function is not created here, right? This is created where inside this file. So if you want to use reduce function here, first we import the module name, func tools. As I am giving some alias name, then we can use what here? We can use f dot reduce. We can use like this, guys. Are clear now, guys? This one. What is this import func tools like this? So small. Are you clear this one now? Okay. right? And the other one observe here, like difference between map and reduce, right? Map and filter you asked. I'll explain guys with the same example. What is same example means? Observe here. I take one list guys here. I take one list. Something like this. Okay. Now two things here. One is finding squares of all numbers, right? Other one is what? Simply finding squares of all even numbers only. See the difference, the requirement. Okay. So I want to find squares of all numbers. But here squares of only even numbers only means what is the meaning here? No condition required, right? All of you, no condition required here. No condition required. Why? I want to apply for all, but here what required? Compulsorily condition required. Whenever you require condition, then that program we can do by using filter. Right? And whenever you don't need condition, I want to apply for all, then you go for what? Map function. You go for map function. Are clear now? Observe here. Same, right? Lambda. Okay. I and I. This is the all, right? All means what? Simply I power 2. It's a logic now. Comma. Which one? List. Then which one here? Map function, because I want to apply for all. Then output will be list format. Then I'm going to print it. Right? The same what I'm doing here again. Lambda I colon. What's condition here? If I modulus 2 equal to 0, then output coming from the list. Which function here? Filter function, right? Output will be in the list format, and the output I am going to display output here. We can see now. Sorry. So guys, observe now. All of observe here. See, in this case, output came applying for all numbers, guys, right? But here, two steps, guys. This program involves two steps. All of observe now. This program involves two steps. What is that means? See, first what we do, first step is observe guys here. First step what we do, get first of all even numbers. Get all even numbers first, right? On even numbers apply. Okay. Find squares of what? Squares for all even numbers, right? All of you, yes or no? Even numbers. So first step what? Apply get all even numbers. There which function we use? We use a filter function, guys. Then what comes here? Output will be something 6, 4, 8 like this, right? Now for this all I want to find the squares. Then what we apply here? We apply map function. See the difference, and both have different requirements, right? Okay, so filter to get all even numbers first of all. Once even numbers came, then apply map function to find the squares of all. So first I do this one, guys. Observe now. Which one? Getting all even numbers. See what is happening here. All even numbers coming first of all, right? Even numbers coming, and this one assigned to what? Something x output, guys. Okay, x. Now on the x I write the program to find the even numbers, guys. Okay, same. Lambda I colon which one? I exponent to 2 comma which one? X, guys. Here why x? In the x only we have the even numbers, right? We have the even numbers. Then which one we use? The map function here we use. Why? Because for these all events I want to apply the squares, right? So output will be list format. Then that I am going to print here. You can see now, right? Now squares of all even numbers came. So first to find the all even numbers. Once all even numbers came, on the even numbers, find which one are squares of all even numbers, right? And simply this is the list format, right? All of you, this is what list format. That list I am taking here, guys. That's all. You can see now. All of right. Now first it executes. It executes first, okay, and it gives output here. What's output it gives now? List of 6 comma 4 comma 8, like this output comes, right? All even numbers coming. Now from this one taking the first, which one? 6 square. How much here? 36, right? Next how much taking here? 4. What's 4 square? 16. What next one? 8. What 8 square here? 64. Right? 64. Like this, it finds the squares of all numbers. What map over? Then what is the list is there, right? Output will be list format, and the print is there. It will print, guys. It will print. Okay. So like that, each one has its own purpose, guys. Its own purpose. Right. And see here we can use any alias name. Alias name is nickname, guys. Our choice. Alias name is nickname, right? See, I have different nicknames. You may have different nickname, right? There's no rule. You can take suppose A. If you use the A, then use the same A here. Use the same A. If I use suppose hello, if I use the nickname hello, then with the same name we use here hello. That's all. Nickname is our choice.